Hi, my name is Greg. I'm an assembly technician here at Muscle Car Restorations. Today we got a 69 Z28 Camaro up on our dyno. A customer wanted us to kind of diagnose why this car ain't running very good and get it running better for him. This car's kind of special. It's got a factory installed double 4-barrel setup on it. It's got 2 Holley double pumpers. Kind of a rare option. Pretty cool. So today we're going to kind of run it and look over the carbs, see if we can find anything wrong, and go from there.